Hello there, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a failed recipe. Yes, this food looks very delicious, but it didn't come out how I wanted it to. But before we go on, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and let's get started. So in a sufuria, we added some cooking oil, then some chopped onions. What you want to do is just cook this until fragrant and translucent, and then add in your crushed garlic and ginger. I know by now you are guessing what we're making. We are making this famous dish called OMENA, or fried sardines. So I know my people from the lakeside will criticize me of how I made this meal, but we learn through mistakes. So the next thing we did is add in some green capsicum. Then your spices, you can add spices of choice. We added like 7 spices here: fish masala, garam masala, special curry. Some roiko is a must. If you have just roiko, you can just use that. And some cumin, and yes, that's it. Then the last thing we added is some salt. This is our gourmet salt. You can find it in our website coming soon. We will link it up once the website is up. Then what you want to do to this is just cook this and mix it up so it can combine well to give all those flavors. So this is where the fail comes in. I soaked the sardines in very hot water for about 30 minutes, and that was a mistake because they overcooked and they became mushy. So that's something to avoid when you are making your own omena. Please do not boil or soak them in hot water because they'll become mushy like this. And the aim is to maintain the crunchiness and the fullness of the small fish, but here you cannot see any fish because it's all crammed up, and that was a mistake. So please guys, if you make this recipe, please do not soak your omena. Just cook them as they are. Just wash them thoroughly and cook them as they are, and pair this with some ugali and skuma as we did, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will rectify this recipe and try your own and tag me. Bye.